A right triangle has two sides that are called legs and one side that is called the hypotenuse. The legs of a right triangle are the sides that form the right angle. The hypotenuse is the side that is opposite of the right angle. Note, the hypotenuse in a right triangle is always the longest of the three sides. Squares can be drawn on the sides of a right triangle. The Pythagorean theorem states that the sum of the square areas for the two legs is equal to the square area for the hypotenuse. The Pythagorean theorem is represented by the equation a squared plus b squared equals c squared, where a and b are the lengths of the legs of the right triangle, and c is the length of the hypotenuse. For this right triangle, the length of a is 3, the length of b is 4, and the length of c is 5. Notice that these side lengths satisfy the Pythagorean theorem. This means that a triangle with side lengths of 3, 4, and 5 form a right triangle. If the lengths of both legs of a right triangle are known, the length of the hypotenuse can be calculated using the Pythagorean theorem. For this right triangle, the length of one leg is 5 and the length of the other leg is 12. These values can be substituted into the Pythagorean theorem. Then, the equation can be solved for c, the length of the hypotenuse. So, this right triangle has side lengths of 5, 12, and 13. If the length of one leg and the hypotenuse are known, the length of the other leg can be calculated using the Pythagorean theorem. For this right triangle, the length of one of the legs is 8, and the length of the hypotenuse is 17. When these values are substituted into the Pythagorean theorem, the length of the other leg is found to be 15. So, this right triangle has side lengths of 8, 15, and 17.